Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name's Mark and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today we're just going to have a quick look. It's pissed down with rain all week and the plants have taken a little bit of a dramatic change. So let's go and have a look. First of all, my whispering. It's coming up lovely, look at that. Look at all of these. And it's actually winding up around me post, which is flipping amazing. I've been waiting for that to do that. The candles, remember the little candles we had? And I took the middles out. Look how long they've grown. They're going up lovely. Not sure about this one. I think it has, but I'm not sure. So these, remember we shortened them? Got long ones. This is all with a little bit of rain. Somebody did say they're pine cones, but then I don't think they are. I don't know what they are. Somebody in the comment section could let me know. That'd be lovely. I'll chuck one in there. The Scotch pine, look at these. Look at how much that's grown. That's good. This one's looking healthy. It's got, I don't know what that is. That's probably from the flipping rain, but got some new life there. These have come on a treat as well. Do need to cut the grass. I think I need to repot that. I might try to find a pot for it. That's coming on a lot since the rain. I don't think we got much hope with the two that died, but I've got 2 pots from them. I've got a whispery here. I think it's getting taken over by this bloody edge. And that's grown a fair bit, and I'll have to prune it back later on this year. Is that heirloom? I can't see no roots in there yet, but we'll keep that going for a little bit. See what happens. I don't want to unwrap it yet. I'll just let it do its stuff there. So that'll be it for the day. Had a quick look at just to check. There's nothing much I can do. I can do a little bit of pruning on one of the plants, but I'll do that next week. I might go up a nursery now. So, but it's looking good. The grass and hedges need trimming back, but it's a bit too wet for me to do it today. Right, anyway, I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.